breaks. Did that break?
I don't know.
Yeah. You fat ass.
What?
You finished.
Well, you were being so slow. In the kitchen, you're like, oh, I have to do this, now I have to do this.
I was telling you the story of whenever I brought my toaster in here, okay?
Okay, Jiffy.
It was good. And I ate it. Look, it's crunchy.
You ate the toaster?
What?
You ate the toaster?
No.
You said, I was telling you about that time I brought the toaster in my room, and you're like, it was good, and I ate it.
You're lying.
Nose hurts like a bitch.
That's one bite down. What's happening?
Hmm?
What?
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 What? Sound like a fucking parrot.
Me?
You keep on repeating after me. I don't like it. Rawr. I really hope that it can see both of us. Hmm? The shirt is really big. It feels big.
This shirt's really big.
It's really big.
Can we like turn it off now?
Yeah. Press down on the button.